What's going on, guys? Before I get into this video, please, I'm trying to get to 400 subscribers before the end of the month. Go ahead and give me that subscribe. Also, drop me a thumbs up at the end of this video when you're done watching, as well as leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the stock, about the video. But what I'm going to be talking about today is Lmnd, LMND. I used to love to trade this stock back in the Corona, the whole coronavirus melt up. This stock was absolutely just a straight monster. But as we know, it's been getting beaten down now for quite some time. But I think we're coming into a loading zone here. Okay, I got my trend line drawn here, $77.73. Let's just call it $77 here. Okay, why do I have that? You can see here we came down, touched this lower Bollinger Band, and got this little pop up. We came down, kind of had this gap. Down here, we did have earnings. We tested it one time, tested it two times, and now we're kind of just hovering. So with that being said, we have a clear line in the sand. Okay, this $77.75 is a clear line in the sand. So why do I say it's a loading zone? Because we can enter into the stock here. Yes, we're going to have to wait it out. We're going to run and bump our heads in all these trees. A lot of supply zones here. It's going to be a little bit of a chop fest. We're not going to have just a clear path straight back up to 159, up to, 111, 100. It's not going to be that easy. But if you're looking for a stock, looking to stash something for the long haul, maybe 3 months, 6 months, 12 months later, we have a clear line in the sand. We held it 2 times. You can see here, this last time when we did break above this 77.75 is when we really got this little push up back to 108 and 115. Okay. When we did lose this level, we came down and tested almost this linear regression line here. So it acted as a firm support. The linear regression line is adding up to $53. We came down here and touched 59. So pretty close. So what is that telling us? If we do lose this 77.70 area, where could we potentially come back down? Potentially into the 60s, right? Into the 60s, and 63.96 would probably be the lowest. So clear line in the sand. Down here at the lower Bollinger Band, right here drew this trend line. If we do lose this 77 area, just get out of the trade. Get out of the trade, either let it base out down here or let it reconfirm this area to get long. So we don't need to be guessing where the stock is going. If we lose this $77 area, we know where it's coming. It's coming down here, right? We already know that. When it lost it this time, where did it come? It came down here. Where could it go this time? Come down here. But if we do hold this level, we could be looking to ride a nice little slow ride back up to the 100, 110, 115. That could potentially be a big move. Obviously, if things start to turn around, there is a rotation, maybe things get better, so forth and so forth. Anything can happen in this world, especially we've seen over the last year and a half, 2 years. But if we can sort of get over this 116 area, this would take out a wide distribution range, and anything over 116 can propel us back into the 150 area. So do you want to be buying here at the 117 when you were watching this video and potentially could have been loading down here with a clear line in the sand? Hey, we lose 77, 76 bucks. Well, we know we're probably coming down here to 63. I can do one of two things. I can load up more down here, average down my cost, or I can just cut this trade for a small loss and wait for it to get back above that level, and or wait for it to come down here and then just sort of load up and then ride that slow ride up into the 100s once again. So if you're looking for a stash and hold stock, I think Lmnd is a one. LMND, guys, you don't want to buy it when it's up here in the 90s or the 80s. It's going to chop around a little bit. You could lose 5-10 points to the downside. You can get your head hit up here in these supply zones at the 100 and 105. And realistically, if you had a chance to snag it down here at the $80 range, why not? So until next time, guys, I will see you guys all on the next video. Please go ahead, drop me a comment, subscribe to the channel, as well as join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below, but I'll catch you guys all next time.